The Road Safety Unit has renewed its call for the police to use all the relevant laws to prosecute persons who transport children in a manner that puts their lives in danger. This comes in the wake of a spate of motor vehicle crashes since the start of the year, leaving a number of children dead and others seriously injured. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
175, the number of persons killed in road crashes in the country since the start of the year. On May 20, the nation plunged into mourning after a minibus transporting 24 students overturned into a gully in Black Hill, Portland. 13-year-old Pranjal Jasti died and 23 others were injured. It's still not clear if the passengers were wearing seatbelts. The incident left Director of the Road Safety Unit Canute here fuming about the indiscipline of the driver, but he did not stop there.
It's not only public passenger vehicle I'm operate. I'm operate private passenger vehicle too. Because you see, I see some of them operating private passenger vehicle, you see. They're driving high-end vehicle, low-end vehicle, medium-end vehicle, and I see their children roaming around in the motor vehicle. And they are in seatbelt. We have seen crashes from the black box where the father is in a seatbelt and the child fly out of the vehicle and dead. Why did it happen? Selfishness. You don't care. You act like you love the child, but you don't love the child. So why are you buckle up and the child not buckle up?
While addressing that issue, he highlighted the main factors contributing to the crashes and made this appeal.
I am calling upon the JCF in a serious manner. Look here. Look at these child crashes that are occurring. And where there are breaches for both the Road Traffic Act, we hit them with double whammy, both the Road Traffic Act and the Child Care and Protection Act. Because if you transport a child without seat belt and you have that child roaming around that vehicle, it means that you are not protecting that child. You are endangering the child's life.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.